Teriyaki Wagyu Burger. 100% Wagyu Texas beef and an amazing teriyaki sauce. Y'all ready to come learn? Come right in. Let's go. Vegetable oil, half onion dice. Saute this to translucent. Now adding in Wagyu, ground pork, panko breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, egg, nutmeg, and milk. Gently mix well. Then add in cooled onions. Separate this into 4 balls. From here, we're going to be hitting the balls on our hand to remove any air bubbles and roll into a nice patty. Press in the middle to prevent cracking. Now we're going to sear this with EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, 3 to 4 minutes per side till it's nice and crispy. We're going to flip. Perfect. Now remove this and set aside and go ahead and get ready to make our teriyaki sauce, which will require mirin, soy sauce, maple syrup, and sake. Cook sauce until it is nice and thick. Pour a little bit of sauce into the pan with 1 cup of water. Add in our beef right back inside. Baste all 4 patties, and then also just a little bit of more sauce right on top, and simmer for 5 minutes. Now into our garlic aoili, we're going to be taking garlic, mayo, chili paste. Give this a nice gentle mix. Heat up our wonderful bread, and it's playtime. We're going to be serving this with Caraba Sunrise Ale, which is going to be a Japanese beer. Visit them at silkroadwineandspirits.com. Amber Ale with a strong floral aroma and caramel hot color. Amazing with this wonderful dish. An excellent pairing with thick flavors dishes just as yakitori. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes. And always, thank you again. Bye-bye.